Well, I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video and put on YouTube, but I wanted to show everybody the driver's room that we have here at Clark Transfer. We have a little lounge room with a TV, a couple of couches. This is accessible to us 24/7. And we have a couple of bathrooms, a lot of decorative posters from shows that we've done. We have a bathroom with laundry and a utility tub in here. And then a little further down, we have a coffee station, make coffee. And we also have another bathroom with a shower in it. And I think we have it pretty good here at Clark Transfer. We have this accessible to us 24/7, 365 days a year. And I think they do such a nice job treating us owner-operators very nicely. They even give us connections out here for shore power so that we can connect up to electricity, not have to run our APUs and use our diesel fuel. So anyways, I thought I would show that and share that with all of you. I hope you enjoyed seeing the video, and we will record another one soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Thank you very much.